backup, few topics are mentioned as often, but ignored just as frequently until it's too late. Data loss happens faster than you think, whether it's a hardware failure, malware, accidental deletion, or just bad luck. Without a backup, things can go very wrong. Today, we will focus on offline local backups. ASUSTOR offers two options you can use for this: USB backups and MyArchive. Let us start with the simplest offline method, USB backup. Every ASUSTOR NAS device has USB ports where you can connect USB storage. USB ports on an ASUSTOR NAS are found on the front or back of the device. Once USB storage is connected to your ASUSTOR NAS, you'll need to create a new job in Backup Central and choose whether you want to back up from your ASUSTOR NAS to USB or from USB to your ASUSTOR NAS. It's important to activate Archive mode. This setting skips all the files that have not changed. You can also set a USB drive to be ejected automatically so it can be removed safely upon completion. Some ASUSTOR devices also support the one-touch backup feature, and after proper configuration, a backup will start every time you press the one-touch button for about 5 seconds. You can choose how you want your data backed up, including the direction, whether to copy everything or synchronize specific folders. The next option is especially useful for users who have an ASUSTOR NAS with hot swappable drive bays that can take advantage of ASUSTOR's MyArchive feature. This allows you to turn a hard drive into a removable volume that you can use in your NAS for backups, remove later, and either insert into another NAS or store safely in a cabinet as cold storage. Converting an unused drive into a MyArchive volume is easy when using the ADM Storage Manager. We recommend formatting it as an NTFS drive for Windows. Once everything is set up, create an internal backup job and decide whether you want to back up to the MyArchive drive or restore data from it. After backing up, eject the drive, remove it, and you'll be able to use it in another ASUSTOR NAS, computer, or store it offline together with your other MyArchive drives. MyArchive has one big advantage. As long as a MyArchive drive is not connected, it's completely offline and therefore protected from malware, ransomware, or user error. In conclusion, if you are looking for robust, simple, and secure offline backup options, your ASUSTOR NAS gives you two powerful tools with USB backup and MyArchive. Both are flexible and take your backup strategy to the next level. In the next part of this series, we'll take a look at the local network backup protocols in ADM like rsync and SMB backup.
Tell them stick to the program, get kicked like Vince, your old boss has got no chance. I got both hands wrapped around the game in a choke slam.